Hi, this is Usha. Welcome to Rathod's IAS. Today in this session, we are going to discuss must-read NCERT books for your UPSC Civil Services examination. So first of all, I want to give you the importance of these NCERTs. So not only institutes but even toppers, they suggest you to first read NCERTs. Because after reading these NCERTs, you will be getting some strong foundation. Because you have to read newspaper every day to understand the concepts of current affairs, and even if you want to relate that current affairs with our subjects, yes, first we need a basic foundation, especially to understand editorials. So that foundation you will be getting from NCERTs. And I want to give you two scenarios here. So first one is, if you are going to write this year UPSC, that is UPSC 2023, or if you want to give UPSC 2024, you will be having a limited time. Because you have to complete your optional, you have to read a newspaper for every day, okay, and also you have to give 2 to 3 hours for your newspaper, that is to cover your current affairs, and you have to complete your standard books, you have to give the mock test. So you will be having a limited time. So many of the times here UPSC aspirants, they will be thinking that we have to skip this NCERTs and we have to shift to this standard books directly. But reading standard books is very difficult if you are not having the foundation. So if you want to go directly with the standard books, you are not going to understand the concept and it will be like a waste of your time. So please don't skip NCERTs. So here, especially if you are having less time, you can go for some NCERTs which are must. And that must NCERTs I am going to discuss now, and I am going to show the books also. And the second scenario here is, if you are a graduate, yes, you will be having enough time so that you can cover NCERTs from class 6 to class 12. So here, what are the books I am showing now in this video? So this is very important for the students who are going to appear this UPSC 2023 and even 2024. So these are the must read NCERT books for your UPSC CSC preparation. So as you all know that 4 subjects will form about 60 to 70% of your preparation, that is your polity, history, geography and economy. So we are going to see the must read NCERT books for these 4 subjects first. So first one is our polity. So the first book you have to complete here is Indian Constitution at Work. I hope you can see, right? So this is the 11th class NCERT, and this books will give you such a conceptual clarity, and you can understand the concepts easily, and you can make a notes from this book, okay, and this book is useful for your mains. And the second book you have to read is Political Theory, okay, so this book is also very useful for your mains. And third book here it is Politics in India Since Independence. So this book will give us a great insights regarding how policies are changing in India and what are the policies that came up by the government, and you can get some case studies also. And the fourth book for your polity here is Contemporary World Politics. Okay, so these were the 4 must read books for your polity. So this is for your polity. And second one, it is for your history. And as you know that art and culture, which is a part of your both prelims and mains, you have to read this book. Okay, so this book is an introduction to Indian art, and this book is also called as fine arts textbook of class 11th NCERT. And first you have to read this book before going into this Nitin Singhania. Okay, so this is the only book for your art and culture. And if you see for your ancient history and medieval history, we will suggest you to follow old NCERT. So this is the old NCERT, that is for ancient history. And for medieval history, you can read this book. Okay, so this book is Satish Chandra and this book is R.S. Sharma. Okay, so this is the R.S. Sharma book for ancient history and this is Satish Chandra book for medieval. And you have to complete these 2 books, there is no choice. And after completing this for world history, you will be having this book, okay, that is a Contemporary World History. This is also very useful. And next one here, it is 10th class book, it is for India and Contemporary World. So this book is also very useful for covering your history part. And if you see for economy, I will suggest you only one book if you do not having much time. So this book is Indian Economic Development, and this is 11th class NCERT. Okay, so this book will give you much insight. So after reading this book, I will suggest you to go through this Sanjeev Verma book. So that will helpful to you build concepts, and after building concepts you can go with economic survey and current affairs part, and also budget of that year which you are going to give the examination. And this is about economy, and next one it is about geography. So in geography, if you want to complete either your mains portion or your prelims, I will suggest you to read just these 4 books of NCERT, that is from class 11th and class 12th. So this book of class 11th, it is about physical geography, and this gives the concepts of physical geography from the world, and you can make a good notes of this. So this book is enough for your physical geography. And there is one more book, that is physical environment book of class 11th, and you can see the condition of my book. And next one is class 12th NCERT, that is human geography, fundamentals of human geography. And one more book here is India, people and economy. This gives you insights regarding economic geography. Okay, so these are the 4 books that you have to read for your geography, and there is no need of reading any standard books if you are preparing for your GS. Okay, I'm not talking about optional, just for GS geography. So these 4 books are enough to write your mains and even your prelims. So this is all about this geography, and I want to mention 2 more NCERTs that are very important. So first one is, that is Indian society, that is social change and development in India. So this is a class 12th NCERT, and one more class 12th NCERT here is Indian society. So these 2 books, they were very important to cover the concepts of Indian society. So actually Indian society and social issues which comes under your GS1 and GS2, and most of the times you will be getting questions from current affairs from this Indian society and social issues. But to get the basic concepts like how our society is, how diversity it is, and if you want to understand the social problems like inequality, exclusion, and what are the social institutions which are present in our society, and cultural diversity. So for all those basic concepts, so these 2 NCERTs, they will give a deep insights. Okay, so don't miss these 2 books. And this society which is under part of your mains but not prelims. So if you want to write answers for this society, yes, you need a background. So that background you will be getting from these 2 books. So these are the must read NCERTs for your polity, economy, history, geography and society. So please don't skip books. Okay, especially these books you have to read. So I hope this video which gave you insights regarding which book you have to read for your mains and prelims. So I wish you a very all the best for you, and by this I am concluding. Thank you so much, and subscribe to Rathod's IAS Academy, and please like, share this video to your friends also. Thank you so much.